In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property in Notion. Keeping your databases clean and organized is essential for efficient workflows, and sometimes that means removing fields or columns you no longer need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted properties from any database, making your Notion workspace simpler, more focused, and tailored to your needs. To start, open the Notion page where you want to work. If you're creating a new database, type the / command followed by the word database. This will bring up Notion's menu for adding a database block, offering options like table, board, or gallery. Choose the type that best fits your needs. If you're working in an existing database, you can skip this step and go straight to managing the properties. Properties in Notion are the columns of your database, storing information like tags, dates, numbers, checkboxes, or file attachments. To see how deletion works, you can create a new property as a test. At the top of your database, click the Add Property button. Notion will prompt you to select a type such as text, select, checkbox, or date. Choose the type you want and give it a name. This step is optional, but it helps illustrate the process. Once your property is ready, locate its column header at the top of the database. Hover your cursor over the header and a small drop-down arrow will appear. Click the arrow to open a menu with several options. Among them is Delete Property. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Confirming will remove the property and any data it contains from the database permanently. Before deleting, it's wise to double-check that the information isn't needed. If you're unsure, you can export the database as a backup to avoid losing important data. This feature works for any property in any type of database, whether it's a table, board, or gallery. The delete option is always located in the column header dropdown, making it easy to streamline your workspace whenever necessary. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can remove unwanted properties from your Notion databases, keeping your pages neat, organized, and focused on what truly matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.